Hi friends, Michelle Sweeney here with Epicurean Delights, and today I have a real sweet treat for you. I'm going to show you how to create the ever popular whipped coffee, but I'm going to spike it with a little bit of Irish cream, some hot cocoa, and I'm going to top the whole thing off with a homemade vanilla bean whipped cream. Let's get started. Making homemade whipped cream is so easy. The key to a really good whipped cream is to make sure that your cream is nice and chilled. I'm using a 40% heavy cream, which is my preferred type when I'm making a homemade whipped cream. And to that, I'm just going to add a little bit of granulated sugar, and then I'm going to add a product called Whip It. If you have never used Whip It before, I really like this product because it helps stabilize the whipped cream, but it also makes it so that it firms up enough where I can actually pipe with it. So it's great if you want to have those really pretty detailed swirls on any of your desserts. It also holds its shape in the refrigerator. I also like to add vanilla bean paste to my whipped cream. It adds a really nice, deep, rich vanilla bean taste. Plus you get to see those really beautiful flecks of vanilla bean throughout your whipped cream. So it's just a really nice special touch. Just gonna go ahead and whip that up, put it in a bag, and throw it in the refrigerator until I'm ready. Next, I'm going to go ahead and start my whipped coffee, and I've just taken 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and some really hot water, and I threw that in a cup and shook it up so that it got nice and dissolved. I'm throwing that into my KitchenAid, and I'm just going to whip it until it is nice and fluffy and creamy, just like my whipped cream. I will say that when you are doing the whipped coffee, if you're not a lover of super strong coffee, you're going to want to use a light coffee, any type of light instant coffee. I'm actually using a dark Starbucks Italian roast instant coffee. So again, if you are not a fan of dark coffees, go with a light one. To my cup, I've just added 1 ounce of Irish cream. You could also use Bailey's. I've added probably about 3 ounces of hot cocoa, and to that, I'm going to add my whipped coffee. And I'm just going to top the whole thing off with some of that beautiful, delicious vanilla bean whipped cream. And there you have your coffee nudge. So next time, make it sweet or savory, but always delicious.